What? And good evening, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Very nice. Are you ready? Choose. Choose a bunot-bunot raffle draw and she choose number
13.
Number 13, go! Hashtag 1 million trees and beyond. Hindi ko ka-answer, anak, bes. Hashtag 1 million trees and beyond. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ready? Go.
1 million trees. 1 million trees and beyond. Every time I hear that word, the first thing that coming from my mind is our Mother Earth. As we all know that Mother Earth is dying. That's why we need to take a heed and give compassion to our Mother Earth. An individual who has inspiring vision that doesn't offend weather, but bring the sunshine to eat. Not only to give a full affection to our Mother Earth, but a sense of anxiety, dependability, and bestow the nature best in me. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to plant more trees and stop kaingin. Because I always believe deep in my heart and my soul that we should know how to distinguish an amas or nilayo.
Pwedeng kakaginhawa, gano'n? Hashtag or kining a question? Hashtag, sige, goot pa, bes. Ana, masunuring bata. Para mawala ka kulba, bes no bes? Masaha.
Number 5.
Number 5. Ready? Kabasa ka, bes? Sige, basahan. Naka 10 seconds. Ready ho, bes? Kay Bingo ng mga kontra. Diyos ko! And go!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome change hashtag. We're a Philippine government program which threaten and endanger every Filipino culture, country's nature, and its human and non-human inhabitants. Is the Philippine government sincere of building a just and human society, promoting the common good, conserving and developing our patrimony? These are just only an ordinary question, ladies and gentlemen, but must be given a critical, logical, and valid response test. When it's about welcome change, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God!
Candidate, are you alright okay tonight?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you feel nervous tonight?
A little bit.
A little bit, oh my God! Nakay mga boyfriend ka ron? Nakay gustong pasalamatan? Take it away.
Well, I would like to thank the sponsors and the organizers for this event. Thank you so much for welcoming us here.
Kami na MC. Sige, wala nang kaluba. Sige. Kung gusto kang hashtag or gusto kang mga sayo na question, asa man ka?
Hashtag.
Di ka ganang sayon. Okay. Tutawa, best! Oh my God! Gilabay na itong uban o gibalik? Ay, gilabay. Okay. Number 3. Hashtag books versus internet, and timer starts now.
As we can see, books versus internet, it's all about the media censorship. So we must be careful to post online, like Facebook, Twitter, because there's a lot of people are using our pictures. That would be all. Thank you.
She's getting first time here in the city of Ozamis.
Well, actually, this is my first time here in the service, and I haven't regretted the fact that I have able myself to join in this pageant, since I have witnessed how warm welcoming the people here in the service, and I think it's all worth it. The effort that we have exerted and the time that we have invested is all worth it.
She already answered the question that has not yet been asked. Perfect. So welcome to the city of Ozamis. Welcome to San Roque. Welcome, welcome.
Well, actually, I'm very...
Dili pa question. So, say gusto na mo sayon or hashtag?
Quite possibly everything maybe.
Huh? Sayon or hashtag?
come what may.
Leisure ka. Karag-karag na kasi. Sige, para wala naman guni siya sa kulba kay Bigyo Galim. Say for example, if your question is, kumusugot ba ka? Nadato kay ka, ikaw nagitanan, pero ang ihi mong gawa sa imong ilong, gano'n ka.
Well, actually, that's totally absurd, and I don't want to be like that, because if I were going to say yes to it, and I think I'm the only person who have that, but I think it's very conscious for me.
Pero regarding the question, bono. Oh my God, grabe. Buhat na siya libro. The number is number 6, go. Oh my God. Hashtag corruption and timer starts now.
Well, as an English major, we have thought in our department that hashtag encloses the words that has definition. So the hashtag there is corruption. I believe that all I can say about corruption is it's definitely we can alleviate the tension that we have experienced through it. Because I believe that change is coming since we have already our new administration, President Rodrigo Duterte. It's quite possible for us to face the future that is quite clear and a prosperous society for us to live in the making. Thank you.
Number 4. How do you find the people of San Roque?
Well, they are very hospitable and friendly.
Very hospitable and friendly. They have hospital, right? Check. Perfect. So when you say hello to them, go!
Hello, San Roque.
Go!
Hello, San Roque.
Pokemon, go! Perfect. Lisod sa yon hashtag.
Anything will do.
Wow! Dato kay ka. Ikaw na pagkagwapa pero mamatay ka. Okay lang. Sige, go not. The number is?
Number 2.
Number 2. Conviction? Hashtag same-sex marriage. Ready? Timer starts now.
As I am a Roman Catholic and I have ties in the Catholic Church, I firmly believe that same-sex marriage, I am definitely not in favor. Because God created man for a woman and woman for a man. Even though it's hard to accept the fact, the truth, and the reality, but I must. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, Arnel. Arnel is very, I believe na siya, Arnel. She is? Nicole. 6 years? Nakaiyak ko sa YouTube eh. Good evening, candidate number 6. Good evening. How are you tonight? Are you okay? All right.
I feel nervous.
I know. Spell nervous.
Assignment.
Perfect. I know. So, like, di ba nagit ay pili, bunot, hashtag, kung papilion ka, papuniton ka, tai, igits, or tubol? Nothing. Perfect. Isod mo, di ba? Pag may gipugos ka, bunot. Whew! Okay, babalik ka nga, Nicole! Buhay pa ang taga Nicole! Buhay pa. Number 12. Hashtag number 12. Hashtag money, Pacquiao, or power. Money or power? Timer starts now.
Money, because we all know that money is very power. You can buy anything what you want. Thank you.
Candidate number 6. Kay JJ, nagdadamas mamay towel best. Number 7. Good evening, candidate number 7.
Good evening.
Are you enjoying the night?
Definitely.
You're from?
Elegant City.
This is your first time here?
Third time.
Welcome to the city, Wazames. How do you find the people of San Roque?
They're fine.
I don't go outside a lot. Yeah, because you just came in, right? So ganito lang. So you have to go, magkuhan ka, libot-libot ka 10 weeks. Grabe kaya? Okay. Anyway, just welcoming people na grabe, nagyo pag yun sila gianihan, basta nagyo maka-appeal. And the number is? Number? 15. Hashtag number 15. From the land of promise, C1. Ready? Timer starts now.
Well, what first thing comes on my mind, the land of promise, is to respect each other's thought and belief. Whatever religion or culture you have, as long as you respect each other, then there will be peace and unity. I believe that it is better to taste the hardship of learning than to taste the bitterness of ignorance. Thank you.
Kenny, you're from the city of?
Cagayan de Oro.
Oh my God, too far. Nagbiyahe pag 6 hours. Is this your first time, hi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, welcome to the city where you see the smiles of the city of Ozames. How do you find the people?
Well, actually, it's my first time to be here. But during my first step, I was so greatly surprised when I saw the dozens of blended of culture, and it had some of the definitive spice and sensuality of this area. Thank you.
Webster Dictionary na best. Perfect. And I always believe that, wala may bunot. Ano ka siya? Actually, I always believe that kini sila mga Cargado, they all came here well-versed and they can answer all the questions, right? Because that's just only beauty, not the heart, but also the brain, right?
Yes, definitely.
And if you're going to answer before the hashtag na kung answer ka kung unsang bukid sa malindang nga kung tumban makapiang, unsa na siya best?
Sumbaga na lang ko.
Okay, hashtag bunot. And the number is 11. Hashtag relationship goals. Pagaling, inhale, exhale, timer starts now.
Since I believe that the pictures out is very much common, it's about relationship goals. We all know that goals is part of our life. And I believe all I can say about this, it is a factor, an ingredient to help preserve our personality and share it to the others.
So, relax, are you okay? Sige. I'm sure this is not your first time in Ozames. Lisod po mo, agi kasi di pulo, di ato kapag ganyan, din karga din ka sa barko. So, kailangan. Bunot? Lisod sa'yo ni hashtag. Ikaw na yung bahala. Ikaw na yung bahala, Karon. Number 10. Number 10. Hashtag economy versus environment. Inhale. Timer starts now.
Economy versus environment. The first thing that comes to my mind when I've read that hashtag is, ladies and gentlemen, the people nowadays are focusing on our economy and we are forgetting our environment. We focus on much economy on how we can make our country, or how can we make a thing more to rise a thing, and we are forgetting that our environment, as we observe, we're destroying the Mother Earth. People are killing and anything. We are destroying our environment. So let's focus on both things, the economy and the environment, to make our country more wonderful. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 9. And finally, we have candidate number 10. Good evening, candidate number 10.
Good evening everyone.
And she's from Davao City. Magpalakpakan po tayo. Grabe, gabiyahe, good siya. Of 20 hours from Davao City. So is this your first time here in the city of Ozames?
Yes, actually,
So how's the people of Zamis? How do you find them?
I find them very friendly and I feel the warm welcome and acceptance. Thank you all.
Wow, okay. So ready na ka, Bes? My God. Welcome to the city of Zamis. Punot? Pwede po dahil nabiling dira 5. Pwede ka ng 5 tanan, Bes, pakyawon. That's number
14.
Hashtag number 14. Poverty. And timer starts now.
I think poverty is the main problem in our society right now. I believe that the government and Duterte, the new president, is doing his best, and I am confident that I am proud that I voted him. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 10. Now that completes our question and answer portion of the preliminary interviews. Asa mo kami, Elizabeth? Wala ba